May I know who distributes the AKAP?
Ang DSWD ang siyang nagdi-distribute ng AKAP.
Personally? Who goes to the venue? Because no senators go to the venue.
Ang atin mga social worker at yung mga empleyado ng DSWD na mga paymaster.
Who else?
Maraming sumasama na politiko, nakikita naman po natin. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa yung AKAP dahil biglang sumulpot yan, wala naman sa NEP, wala naman sa DSWD budget, wala man lang sa wishlist nila, biglang sumulpot nung nakaraang taon at matapos yun, tinatanong ng lahat, ano ba talaga yung programang yan? Sa totoo lang, ang version ng Senado, tinanggal ko na po yan dahil ang pakiwari ko, walang programa ang pamahalaan na pag-aari ng sino man.
Are you saying there's no AKAP in the Senate version?
Yes, I deleted it entirely. Sana, pag isahin na yung pondo, para malaking-malaki, lahat ng hihingi, mabigyan ka agad, wag na natin paghiwalayin, wala nang turuan, wala nang sisihan, wala nang akuhan na amin lang to, wala nang ganon. Basta may pondo dyan, handa para sa nangangailangan. Ganon lang kasimple. The permanent positions in DSWD have remained stagnant until today at about 3,300, 3,400 permanent positions. Sa social worker pa lamang, maraming nakatenga na 6,000 halos. Social worker na yan, hindi pa rin permanente. Ang ating DSWD, siguro isa sa pinakamataas na naglalabag sa ENDO, nasa 44%, 18,205 today are contractual, 71 are casual, 18,412 are job order lang. At sila ang disbursing officer, hawak-hawak ang cash at hindi mabigyan ng mas mataas na credit limit. Kaya ito talaga ang malaking problema. Ang dami-dami natin tinatambak na trabaho pero hindi naman natin binibigyan ng sapat na kontrata, wala namang sweldo na maaasahan at wala man lang kasunduan sa DSWD.
Yes. May I know what is the credit limit of one special disbursing officer?
Depende
What is
kasi.
The maximum credit limit?
100 million para sa pinakamataas na salary grade, USEC ba yan?
That's very high. That's very big.
Yes, that's correct. SG30, that's USEC level, and that's 100 million.
But we know the USECs do not do the payouts and they don't act as disbursing officers. So my question is, perhaps just so that we know, how many disbursing officers are there in one region, and what is the salary grade of these disbursing officers, and how do we increase them? I know that there is a 6,300 request for DBM. I know that DBM will not be able to fund the plantilla positions of the 600.
Iba-iba kasi yung disbursing officers sa iba't ibang region, iba-iba yung numero, depende sa laki. At alam natin kapag Metro Manila o Region 4A, talagang napakalaki. Ganon din yung Region 7, pagkalaki-laki. So iba-iba rin ang number of employees, iba-iba rin yung kanilang disbursement allowance, depende sa kanilang salary grade. Sabi nga, yung USEC nasa SG30, pagkatapos yung RD nasa SG28. So iba-iba rin.
Realizing that DBM will not be able to give the more than 6,000 plantilla positions, how will we be able to effectively and efficiently implement the big AIC-SPY that the Senate Congress is giving the DSWD, given the same problem that exists now, that there's a credit limit for the limited number of personnel?
Yes, the effort really is, right now, kung maaari, ang ginagawa nila, may cash sharing sila na fina-farm out na sa land bank. At nag-umpisa na ito sa Region 4A at saka sa Region 3 kasi hindi na nga kinakaya ng taga-DSWD dahil labis-labis na nga ang laki ng pondo at napakaraming beneficiary.
I believe this is a similar problem with TUPAD as well, where there's also a limitation
Pero
on
ang
the number
tupad
of
ng
personnel.
liit-liit lang kung ihahambing
Compared
sa
to the AIX.
linalabas nila kasi meron silang QRF sa disaster, madalian pa yon. May AIX, may AKAP, may sangkatutak na programa sa DSWD.
AKAP is a new program, yes.
Yung SOCPEN, napakalaki nun, yung social pension sa ating mga senior citizen
I'll get to that.
indigent.
That's
Ang
actually-
laki-laki na talaga ng
Yes.
programa ng DSWD, pero halos nakapako ang empleyado na permanente sa bilang ng 3,400.
Okay.
With the permission of the good Senator Legarda, just one question. May I know who distributes the AKAP?
Ang DSWD ang siyang nagdi-distribute ng AKAP.
Personally?
Pareho rin lang ng iba't ibang programa kapag may listahan, susundan nila katulad ng SLP, ng AIX at iba't iba pa.
Who goes to the venue? Because no senators go to the venue.
Ang atin mga social worker at yung mga empleyado ng DSWD na mga paymaster.
Who else?
Maraming sumasama na politiko, nakikita naman po natin.
Okay. Thank you for your answer, Senator Marcos.
Would you like a more specific answer to that? Yeah. Okay.
If you may.
Yung tanong ni Senate President, Presiding Officer Pro Tempore na AKAP, ibig sabihin po niyan, ang mga senators pwede rin pumunta po sa mga AKAP, ganun ba ho yun? Gusto ko lang malaman yun. I think yun ang gustong malaman ng Senate President Pro Tempore na hindi niya kinumpleto ang tanong niya.
Precisely.
Pwede siguro. Lahat tayo gate crusher po.
Bakit naman po gate crusher? Kung AIX po yan, or AKAP, or SLP, yan po ay puhunan ng gobyerno.
Yeah, that's the funds of the government, so we can.
Yes.
Can we
Okay.
facilitate
Okay, it's
the
on
release?
record. For the first time, naririnig ko, pwede raw po pumunta kahit hindi kumbidado.
Ay, hindi. So, ibig sabihin po, ang AKAP ay parang AIX, parang SLP, ay maaring puntahan. Anong kaibahan naman po ng AKAP sa AIX? O pareho lang po?
Alam niyo, nakakatuwa yung AKAP dahil biglang sumulpot yan, wala naman sa NEP, wala naman sa DSWD budget, wala man lang sa wishlist nila, biglang sumulpot nung nakaraang taon at matapos yun, tinatanong ng lahat, ano ba talaga yung programang yan? Biglang Pebrero, katapusan ng Marso, tsaka lang lumabas yung mga guidelines. Kaya ang sabi nila, minimum wage earners and low income earners. Ang tanong ko, pareho ba yan ng AIX? Hindi daw, kasi ito daw minimum wage. At sabi ko, may minimum wage rin na namatayan na tumatanggap ng AIX, hindi ba pareho yan? Kaya nakakalito po at sa totoo lang, ang version ng Senado, tinanggal ko na po yan dahil ang pakiwari ko, walang programa ang pamahalaan na pag-aari ng sino man. Kinakailangan, lahat sumasapi dyan, at dahil dito, kinakailangan na pag-isahin na, isaayos na natin ang mga guidelines.
So, are you saying there's no AKAP in the Senate version?
Yes, I deleted it entirely.
How much did you delete, Mr. President, Madam Chair?
Yes, 39 billion which was added in the House version and 41 billion added for AIX.
And we're saying that the 39 billion in the Senate version was reduced. And where did you put the 39 billion AKAP? Back to
I
AIX?
leave it to the wisdom of the leadership, and I hope that during the BICAM this can be discussed. My recommendation is, while we recognize the necessity of immediate relief by direct financial assistance, it's imperative that we focus also on social protection initiatives such as those mentioned by yourself, the SLP, Kalahi Sheets, which foster long-term development and self-reliance rather than creating a new ayuda nation. Ayaw natin nun, ano? Kaya eto nga, pinopropose ko na sana dagdagan yung iba na developmental at sa kabila nun, ipagkaisa na ang AIX at AKAP para hindi na nagkakaroon ng selusan, ng turuan, ng kalabuan.
Okay. I will stop at that. But to be fair, my brother's a congressman, and I've heard that he helps or joins in AKAP, and the needs of our constituents are kasimanwas are also served. So thank you to the SWD.
Yes,
I am not familiar with AKAP. I know AIX, but whatever name of the program is, malaking tulong po. Tuwing meron pong darating dyan na DSWD, AIX at Paymaster, nakangiti po ang mga nahihirapan na ating mga kababayan. So I
Tama
will
po
leave it
yun.
at that.
Kaya
It's not
sang-ayon
for
po
me.
ako
Yeah.
na sana pag isahin na yung pondo para malaking malaki, lahat ng hihingi, mabigyan ka agad, wag na natin paghiwalayin, wala nang turuan, wala nang sisihan, wala nang akuhan na amin lang to, wala nang ganun. Basta may pondo dyan, handa para sa nangangailangan. Ganun lang kasimple. Isahin na natin at sana madali na natin kunin para sa lahat ng target beneficiaries, all persons subsisting below the poverty line, unemployed, formally employed, self-employed, seasonally, periodically employed, those in crisis or emergency situations such as severe, extended illness, disability, death in the family, working in economically hard-hit sectors, victims of natural man-made disaster, calamity, pandemics, war, or other violence, and it shall be used for food, nutritional, medical, funeral services, educational, livelihood, and other financial assistance.
Thank you very
So,
much to the chair for your very comprehensive answer to my question on the programs of the SWD, and I will probably initiate piece of legislation to institutionalize at least one program, the SLP, assuming that no one has filed that yet. But thank you so much, Madam Chair, for all the information that you've given. And
At
I
sana
like-
sumportahan rin ninyo itong kung ano man yung pangalan niya, kung AIX o AKAP o ano man pangalan na
Yes.
bago mahanap natin, sana suportahan rin ninyo ang pagkakaisa nitong pondo at institutionalize na dahil malaking tulong sa ating mga kababayan.
I will leave it to the better judgment of the chair and the leadership, and I would like to thank Secretary Rex Gatchalian, who is just always half a call away. He answers the calls right away, and if he misses it, he's on a flight, he will text and call you back. That's the epitome of a public servant. So thank you also to all in the SWD, especially the 4A and the 6 and everybody in the regions. Thank you.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Charlie Ores, mga local opisyal katulad ng barangay captain, sila ang nagdidikta kung sinong bibigyan kaya walang kwenta yung AKAP at 4-piece na yan kasi nagagamit lang sa pamumulitika katulad ng ginagawa ni Tambak. Pahayag naman ni Rock Into Sumaya, illegal naman talaga ang AKAP dahil hindi yan dumaan sa tamang proseso. Ang House of Crocs ang nagpasimuno dyan at pinsan mong si Romualdez at alam din yan ng kapatid mong presidente. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Lori Leslie Litan, away magpinsan. Amy must be in pain. I mean, she worked so hard to preserve her father's legacy and name, only to have it totally destroyed by her brother and ambitious cousin. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.